This session covers the concept of organic farming and the benefits associated with it. Organic farming is a form of agriculture that relies on techniques such as crop rotation and biological pest control. Crop rotation is the practice of planting a series of different crops on the same tract of land over a period of years. Crop rotations should have crops from different plant families following each other. Example: beans, corn, cabbage. It involves vegetable and livestock production using natural sources of nutrients such as compost, crop residues, and manure, and natural methods of crop and weed control instead of using synthetic or inorganic chemicals. Organic agriculture does not involve use of pesticides. Because of this, the food produced is called as power charged foods. Organic foods also contain more phytochemicals, so called as medicinal foods. Organic production is a holistic system designed to optimize the productivity and fitness of diverse communities within the agro ecosystem, including soil organism, plants, livestock, and people. The principal goal of organic production is to develop enterprises that are sustainable and harmonious within the environment. Organic production is based on principles that support healthy practices. These principles aim to increase the quality and durability of the environment through specific management and production methods. They also focus on the humane treatment of animals. The general principles of organic production include protecting the environment, minimizing soil degradation and erosion, decreasing pollution, optimizing biological productivity, and supporting a sound state of health. Next is maintaining long-term soil fertility by optimizing conditions for biological activity within the soil and maintaining biological diversity within the system. Another important principle is it involves recycling materials and resources to the greatest extent possible within the enterprise and provide attentive care that promotes the health and meets the behavioral needs of livestock. It should incorporate preparation of organic products, emphasize careful processing and handling methods in order to maintain the organic integrity and vital qualities of the products at all stages of production, and relying on renewable resources in locally organized agricultural systems. Now, let's have a quick look at the history of organic farming. J.I. Rodale brought the word organic to the US when he began publishing Organic Farming and Gardening in 1952. He originally financed the publication with profits from his plumbing and electrical supply business. Later, his son Bob Rodale took over the family publishing business and started the Rodale Institute to conduct research on these methods. Organic farming helps in promotion of biodiversity. Let's have a look how. Organic methods such as rotating crops to build soil fertility and naturally raising animals helps to promote biodiversity, which returns health to each species. Organic farms are heavens to wildlife and hence our ecosystems are improved as well. By respecting the natural capacity of soil, plants, animals and the ecosystem, organic agriculture aims to maintain a high level of biodiversity within the agricultural landscape. It makes the use of natural ecological functions to enhance both productivity and pest and disease resistance. Synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and genetically modified organisms negatively affect both health and biodiversity. By respecting the natural capacity of soil, plants, animals, and the ecosystem, organic agriculture aims to maintain a high level of biodiversity within the agricultural landscape. It makes the use of natural ecological functions to enhance both productivity and pest and disease resistance. Synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and genetically modified organisms negatively affect both health and biodiversity. Techniques employed for organic farming act as an ecological production management system. By promoting and enhancing biodiversity, soil biological activity, It promotes minimal use of off-farm inputs and employs management practices that restore, maintain and enhance ecological harmony. Now let's study characteristics of organic farming. First is crop diversity. Crop diversity is a distinctive characteristic of organic farming. Conventional farming focuses on mass production of one crop in one location, a practice called monoculture. The science of agroecology has revealed the benefits of polyculture, that is, multiple crops in the same space, which is often employed in organic farming. Next is soil management. Organic farming relies heavily on the natural breakdown of organic matter using techniques like green manure and compositing to replace nutrients taken from the soil by previous crops. This biological process, driven by microorganisms such as mycorrhiza, allows the natural production of nutrients in the soil throughout the growing season and has been referred to as feeding the soil to feed the plant. Another important characteristic of organic farming is mulching. Mulching is the natural or artificial application of layers of organic residues or other materials on the surface of the soil. Now let us study how organic farming enhances the productivity of vegetables. The organic food produced from organic crops is richer in protein than meat, carries all the needed amino acids, a full and liberal supply of vitamins such as A, C, K and the B complex. The trace minerals such as iron, copper, zinc, calcium, phosphorus, cobalt, the factors inositol, folic acid, chlorine, such all essential minerals are present in organic food. With the discovery of the health benefits derived from rich sale coming from organic farming, the nature doctor, now called naturopathic doctors, are able to supply proper nutrition to sick persons and are able to heal their diseases by giving organically grown foods. Now let's have a look at two facets of organic farming. First is a biologically based production system based on natural principles and demonstrating a high degree of sustainability. And another is a system that preserves the integrity of organic production from contamination with prohibited substances and commingling with non-organic products. There is a myth about organic farming, which is that organic farming is simply agriculture as it was practiced before the era of commercial agricultural chemicals. Instead, the reality of organic farming is that it is a deliberate approach to farming based on regeneration and the promotion of life and health in the soil. This was a small discussion on organic farming practiced in India.